Hi guys, this is Davy Rose singing Vegan Mum. Now listen, it's a busy day, Sunday morning. I've already dropped my oldest to a football tournament. I've come back now, I've taken the youngest to a basketball practice, and then when we come back, we're gonna eat some food. I have planned to jerk some jackfruit, and I'm gonna add some couscous with it and lots of salads and vegetables. And dinner will be on the table, I'd say within half an hour. Let me show you how I jerk the jackfruit. I'm gonna jerk some jackfruit. 2 ingredients, jackfruit, and the jerk seasoning. I did say 2 ingredients, but I like to add a little bit of vibe to it. So that's some garlic, the beautiful jerk sauce, woo! Some turmeric, a dash of extra virgin olive oil. Then you're going to mix up this baby so everything is covered and coated. I continues, I'm going to add some soy sauce. Dash. Mix it all up. I've lined an air fryer because I want it quick. Medium heat, 15 minutes. While that's cooking, I'm going to make some onions and potatoes. Lovely plate of jerk jackfruit, and now I'm going to top it up with some onions. Woo! Now you can have this with rice, you can make it into a wrap, you can do what you like, but whatever you do, make sure you're thinking good thoughts. Look at that jerk jackfruit.